Hey guys, today we're checking out stock number 301502, and this is a 2026 Sierra 1500 crew cab AT4X. Our color is volcanic red. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on the unit. All right, power windows, mirrors with folding mirrors, power locks, memory seat with a power driver's seat and lumbar support. Got our parking brake 4x4 controls, interior and exterior lighting controls, the HUD with HUD settings, a power telescopic steering wheel, which also includes heat, forward collision alert, cruise control settings, hands-free and stereo remote controls. We are satellite radio ready. Push start ignition, electronic and dual climate control with heated and vented front seats. Got our lane keep assist, parking assist, auto start stop, tailgate release, traction control, hill descent control, and our diff locks. A couple of USB charging ports, automatic transmission, trailer brake. We are also OnStar ready. Got our sunroof and rear window controls with garage door openers. And our interior color is Obsidian Rush. Let's move on to the rear passenger features. We've got power windows, the 60/40 split bench seat, which also comes heated, a couple of USB ports for your rear passengers, and some extra storage compartments for you. And onto our exterior. We've got 18-inch GMC rims. We've got the tailgate step with the rear parking aid, a multi-gate tailgate with a rear view camera. There's also fog released, a spray-on box liner. And there you have it, guys. That's stock number 301502. You've just checked out this volcanic red 2026 Sierra 1500 crew cab AT4X. Thanks for watching.